this Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation as good as all the makeup artists say? We are about to find out. Hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to be reviewing for you the Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani. Like, I have been planning to get this foundation for such a long time, but it is almost $70. And for $70 I was like, okay, let me just finish some of my other foundations and then probably I will get it. And recently I moved, as I mentioned in my community tab, that I moved and I decluttered a lot of my makeup and I finally had room for new products, and I just gave in. I just decided to give this foundation a try, and yeah, let's see how it performs on my skin. So if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. A little bit about my skin type. I have currently pretty normal skin. I do have dry skin. My skin tends to become dry. However, during summer my T-zone becomes oily, but it's kind of that transitioning period and my skin is pretty normal. It's not too dry, it's not too oily either. So yeah, I'm currently on Sephora's website and this foundation retails for $69 US. Oh, that's a lot. And it says it's an award-winning oil-free liquid foundation that delivers buildable medium coverage and a luminous glowy skin finish for a natural makeup look. And you are getting 30 ml of product, and there is actually a travel size as well, that is 18 ml of product. I got the full size and it comes in a cardboard packaging like this one over here, and I got the shade 7.75. and if you are around my skin tone, I will mention some of my foundation shades in the description box down below. And currently I should say NC40 or between NC35 and NC40. I am originally NC35 in MAC Studio Fix, but I'm a little bit tanned right now, so I should say I'm currently between NC35 and NC40. Let's just jump into the application process, and I have already done my skincare. Now I'm going to prime my face using my favorite Urban Decay All Nighter face primer. This primer is very much underrated and nobody talks about it. Everybody talks about their setting spray, but this primer, you guys, not sleep on this. This just makes my skin look so smooth, soft, and it also provides a little bit of tackiness at the same time, and it makes my makeup last all day long. I'm definitely going to restock it during the sale. This is like my fave. Now let's just apply this bad boy, and I am taking about one pump of it, and first I'm applying it with my beauty blender on this side of my face. I think the shade is nice. Yeah, the shade is really nice and it's matching my skin tone. See, it's not that bad. So yeah, so I applied the foundation on one side of my face, and one full pump is completely gone because the sponge soaked up quite a bit of product. Right off the back, I can say that it's a medium coverage foundation because I can still see my acne scars peeping through over here. Yeah, they're pretty noticeable. And if I talk about the finish, it gave me a straight up natural finish. It's not too dewy, it's not too matte either. It's a solid natural finish foundation. Yeah, it's looking good, and it blended out really well. So yeah, on this side of my face I'm going to use a brush. Again, I'm taking one full pump, maybe 1.5, this much, and I'm using this Real Techniques 405 brush. And yeah, with brush I'm getting more coverage. There is no surprise there, and it's again blended out really nicely. And here is how the brush side is looking. I have more acne scars on this side, but with the brush I got more coverage, and I still have a lot of foundation left. So my guess is this foundation applies well with a brush. Let's just build it up and see how it covers my acne spots. I think it's building up really well, and it gave me a little more coverage. It covered up my acne scars really well. So far so good. It's going really well. It's applying smoothly and I love the finish. So yeah, I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back. So here is my full face of makeup, and you saw how the foundation applied and all that. I must say with brush I got more coverage, and with sponge it soaked up a lot of product. Since it's a liquid consistency, it's pretty common that a sponge will soak up a lot of product, and I am currently loving it. So far so good. My skin is looking really nice, though I still can see my acne marks peeping through. So I would not say it's a full coverage foundation. If you are into full coverage foundations, then you might not like it, because as it claims, it is a straight up, like, I should say medium buildable coverage. And please keep in mind that this foundation does not claim to be a full coverage foundation. It is supposed to give you a medium coverage, and it's giving me medium coverage, and I am happy with it. So yeah, again, everything applied really beautifully on top of this foundation, and it's looking quite nice. I am going to wear this foundation throughout the day, and then I will give you my final thoughts. And I have quite a lot of work to do today. I have some editing to do, I have to go shopping, I have to make dinner, so it's going to be a long day. So yeah, I'm going to check back after, I should say, 8 hours. Hi guys, I'm back, and it's been a long day and I am ready to take off my makeup. And this is how everything is looking right now. I touched up my lipstick, and the foundation is looking really good. Like, I am impressed. My T-zone is slightly shiny, and it has slightly settled on my smile lines, you can see. Like, other than that, everything else is looking pretty nice. Yeah, I have some dry patches. It's clinging to some of them. It's not something that is crazy, but you know, I'm just nitpicking at this point. So some foundation is kind of wearing off from my nose area just a little bit. Again, it's been a long day. By the way, the eyeshadow is looking really nice. It's a cream eyeshadow that I have been testing out. I will do a review pretty soon. The eyeshadow is looking pretty nice too. The blush is almost gone. So yeah, now let's just talk about what I feel about this foundation. I think it's a good foundation. Like, I really like it, and it's been, how long? I would say 8.5 hours, and the foundation is looking really nice and I am liking it. Now let's just talk about the pros and cons. First pro, number one, it's really lightweight, and you just cannot feel that heaviness on the skin. It's very skin-like, very lightweight formula. Pro number two is the shade range is really nice. And pro number three is it's pretty long wearing. It is not like the most long wearing foundation that I have in my collection, but it is pretty decent, and it's not accentuating all of my dry patches. It's not accentuating this pimple that I have over here. So overall, it's a good foundation, and now I can get it, like, why all the beauty gurus love this foundation. And yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty decent. Now if I talk about the cons, first of all, it's not a full coverage foundation. I should not even call it a con because it does not claim to be a full coverage foundation. So in case you are into full coverage foundations, you may not like it. And I just wanted it to be a little more long wearing than this. By the way, I am happy. I usually wear my makeup for about 8.5 hours, and for that it's looking pretty flawless. Like after 8 hours I cannot expect much for me personally. But if you prefer to wear your makeup for say like 10 to 12 hours, then you might not find this formula to be that long lasting, if that makes sense. Overall, I am really impressed. I'm really happy with this foundation, and again now I get it why beauty gurus love it so much, because it is such a good one. It's very lightweight, very skin-like, and my skin is looking super healthy, fresh, and yeah, this is a really good foundation, you guys, and it's worth it. In my opinion, it's totally worth it, and I give it, I would say, 9 out of 10. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this fun review, and if you want me to review any other product, then feel free to comment down below. I would love to do that for you. And if you have any question, then feel free to comment down below as well. I read all your comments and I always reply back, so please leave me a comment. And if you are not following me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description box down below, or it's at the Nita's Glam World. And yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.